Church. I just want to give God the glory for everything that He has done in my life and my family's life. About 2001, I was blessed with the green card, got the green card. After trying, not even trying, just putting my application in when my sister came over to England when I was in school. And it went through. I was surprised. I came in. So I came in 2 days before September 11th. So it was a difficult time, trying to settle in and finding out that I'm not going to be able to get into the workforce because things just shut down. So I had to, make sure that I chugged along, got into the system, had to do what I had to do, but didn't stay too long. Had to go back to Nigeria. I was in the financial service industry back in Nigeria. I wanted to make sure I was doing the same thing in the US, but because things shut down, I had to go back. I went back home, was there for about, from 2001 to 2010. So you can imagine what I was doing. I was going back and forth for 10 years. Cost a lot of money, but I had to do it. And finally met my wife, got married in Nigeria, had 2 kids, and started the process to bring them over. And in 2010, I finally came back in, and 2011, they finally came back in with me. So I thank God for that. I had to now start trying to get back into the same industry. I was back in Nigeria and had to go through the exams, licensing exams for a financial specialist. And there was one particular one that was just difficult for me to get past. It was the last exam, the 365, and I just didn't understand why I was failing it. 3 times, fourth time, and then 5th time, I came here 2 prayer retreats ago, and the man of God said we should come for those who are trying, to get through an exam. I came out, he prayed, I went back, took the exam, passed it, and I give God all the glory. Because I'm now, it was like that was the barrier, that was the gate that was trying to stop me from getting back into my industry and trying to get me from getting back into being a financial specialist in that area. I thank God for that. I am now working for one of the best, or one of the biggest banks in the country, and I give God all the glory. I prophesy that everything concerning myself and my family, going forward, He shall continue to open doors for us. Everything that we desire. We've been here 5 years now. We've just put our application in for naturalization, and hopefully by God's grace, by the end of the year, we should get that in the mighty name of His Son, Jesus Christ. As I said, we just want to give God the glory in Jesus' mighty name.
Amen. Amen. It is